Is it on? No, I heard a beep.
Yeah, there it is.
Okay. Do it. It's not a BBs.
Hold on, it's so bad I can use
Yeah, you can just use gun BBs.
Wait, Bobby, are you wearing gloves? Yeah. Oh, the ones I gave you? Who doesn't have gloves on?
I'll just take the mine off. Easy.
Wait, I gotta fill up my
BB scavenging. Okay. This is gross. You know it's a high cap?
Really? It's really a high cap?
Yeah, BBs go in the back and then you can like shake it in and you get more BBs.
That's fine.
There you go.
Alright. If you don't call it, I'm kicking your ass.
They won't feel it.
They're not gonna feel it, that's the funny thing. I'm gonna point blank you this.
Wait!
Okay, go.
Alright. Got you back. Fuck. You're clear. Hit! Dead man. Nice shot. Dead. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Dead. Dead man. 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 Dead.
I got 2 kills, that's you.
No, what's it called? That guy, I think his name is Henry, I think. He came around and he just shot me like 10 times.
Yeah, he's overkill.
Wait, who was screaming overkill?
Dylan?
Well, why?
The guy overkilled and shot him 10 times in the elbow?
Yeah, I don't understand why I had to shoot like 6 times. I mean, it didn't hurt, but like...
What's the point of shooting someone like 17 times?
Shoot him once, it's fine. What's it? Fine, let's go.
No.
Got it, dude. Damn. Motherfucker.
Hey, yo, let's go.
We got a guy over here. What's he doing? He just like one step.
Watch out! Alright.
I got him with my Springer.
Wait, did I shoot you?
No.
Oh. I got him.
I'm liking that beautiful glass, beautiful.
Thank you. Right behind you, Garrett. Hit.
Cover.
Dead.
You shot a dead man.
Dead. Fuck me. Holy. Oh shit. Brian? Oh. Woo! Good job.
I got hit by the Springer. Cause like,
Good game.
Nah.
Guess not. Asshole.
flip one.
Oh yeah.
Brian, what's up with me?
I was behind you, and then that guy just with the like, really small and forward.
Alright, let me take lead though.
Hey, is the light still on?
Yeah, it's fine.
All right.
Is that yours?
It's his.
No.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Just recording this game.
I'm using this.
You're not using the spring anymore?
I'm gonna use it on a special.
Your special pistol. We both have special pistols.
Superstition.
Oh.
Fuck that.
I'm in a tight situation right now. I'm tossing. 6 scared. Hey, blue in this room, blue in this room. Blue, 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 blue.
Go.
Hey, Brian.
No, you didn't shoot.
Score! Ceasefire! One sequence. Go ahead and go back to respawn. Same side. Ball starts to
Okay.
Oh, oopsies. Awkward. Awkward.
the side. Ball starts in the middle.
I forgot how much fun it is to play Airsoft.
It's the
Thank God
best.
for them pain relievers. I had like, I guess I'm going through a ghost route or something. And my legs feel like shit. And then
You
I
went
took
to the
some
where?
painkillers.
You went where?
My legs, my shins are hurting like crazy.
No, I had a stomach flu for 10 days. This is the first day I can actually walk without there being pain.
Yeah, I couldn't walk either. It's so hard for me.
Yeah, it fucking hurts.
Yeah, my shins start hurting. But I took some painkillers.
And I was diagnosed with ADHD.
Really?
Yeah. And I'm also sleep deprived, so kind of causes it as well. I just put on a mask.
Oh, like this.
Yeah.
I wanna unclip this.
What?
I wanna unclip this.
Oh, thank you. No, thank you. Oh, I love this. This is fun.
Yeah, I forgot how much fun that player.
I was at a party last night. Some kid threw a popcorn machine at me.
What?
Yeah.
Kid threw a popcorn.
Yeah, I was like holding this little like toy popcorn machine. Like it does make popcorn, but like we weren't using it, and he just like smacks up as a bitch. Shout out to Zach Green, YouTube. The hell's routine?
Alright guys, score is tied.
Welcome to the land. Where's?
It starts in 3,
Oh,
1.
I got your sticks. Excuse me. I'm crossing. Fuck. I see him. Is that Albert? We're clear. Let me see. We got oranges outside. Hey, blue. Blue. For Iran!
Can we score now?
Yeah, score. Just score.
Can I do it? Game! Same side.
Blue team wins.
Fuck all of you.
Let's play. All right. Hey, what's your name? What? Domo? What are you playing to? All right. Thank you, Domo. Fuck. God damn it. Every damn
Put this one
time.
on. Put this one on.
What?
Over my sleeve.
Am I your maid?
Just do it, please.
Okay. I have to go back to my spawn.
No, I can't. Chris.
I'm in. Oopsies. Hey Dylan. 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 Dylan.
What?
It fell off again.
Huh?
It fell off again. It's still recording.